Hi
Welcome to
everybody.
Mysa Academy. I am Mysa Suresh. Today we will discuss part 3 of Vedic mathematics, in which we will discuss two digit with two digit multiplication in shortcut method. First, multiplication of two digit numbers whose unit sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. This model we have already discussed in part 1 of Vedic mathematics, but we will revise for a while so that the next concept which is based on this concept will be understood very clearly. For example, if you take 26, what I should keep? Unit sum is equal to 10. So I have to keep 4 here to here. Tens digits are same. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That is unit sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. So I can implement this logic where first you have to multiply 6 into 4. That is 24. Next 2 next number 3. That is 2 into 3. If we go with second example, 74. What I have to keep? 76. 4 into 6, 24. 7 next number 8. 7 into 8. If we go with another example, 81, I have to keep 89. Then 1 into 9, I have to keep 0, 9. 8 next number 9. 8 into 9, 72. If we go with another example, 53 is multiplied with 57. 3 into 7, 21. 5 next number 6. 5 into 6, 30. Next, multiplication of two digit numbers whose units digits are same and the tens digit sum is equal to 10. This concept is exactly opposite to the previous concept. So what I have to take? Units digits are same. So for example, I am taking 73. Then I have to take 3 here. Units digits are same and the tens digit sum is equal to 10. So I have to 3 here. So that is 3 same units digit and tens digit 7 plus 3 is equal to. So what I have to do? 3 into 3, keep 0, 9. 7 into 3, 21 plus 3. So first 3 into 3, keep 0, 9. Then 7 into 3 plus 3, 21 plus 3, 24. Go with another example. 68. I have to keep 8 here. I have to keep 4 here. Units digits are same and tens digit sum is equal to 10. 8 8s are 64. Next, 6 into 4, 24 plus 8, 32. To go with another example, 93. I have to keep 3 here, 1 here. 3 3s are 9. Next, 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 3. Next, multiplying two digit number with a two digit number. We will go with a cross multiplication method. For example, if I want to multiply 23 into 45. Each digit I am taking as a dot. I will explain you this method first in pictorial format. So first multiply units digit, then product of diagonal digits, then add those, then multiply tens digits. This is the third step. First step, units into units. 3 into 5, 15. Keep 1 carry forward. Next, diagonal. 5 into 2, 10. 4 into 3, 12. 10 plus 12, 22 plus 1, 23. 2 carry forward. 4 into 2, 10th digit. 8, 8 plus 2, 1035. So go with another example. 96 is multiplied with 84. First 4 into 6, 24. Keep 2, carry forward. 4 into 8, 9, 36. 8 into 6, 48. 36, 48. So 30 plus 40, 70. 6 plus 8, 14. 70 plus 14, 84 plus 2, 86. Keep 6, 8 carry forward. 8 into 9, 72 plus 8. If you go with another example, 73 is multiplied with 46. 3 into 6, 8. 1 carry forward. 7 into 6, 42. 4 into 3, 12. 42, 12. 42, 52 plus 2. 54 plus 1, 55. Keep 5. 1, 5. 5 carry forward. 4 into 7, 28 plus 5. 33. Next. Multiplying 2-digit number with 2-digit number. There is another method, that is box method multiplication or table method multiplication. For example, 23 is multiplied with 46. Draw one table as it is 2-digit into 2-digit, so that rows should be 2 and a column should be 2. Keep 20 here, keep 3 here. First I am taking this number 23, so 23. Second 46. So multiply 20 into 40, that is 800. Then 40 into 3, 120. Next 20 into 6, 120. 6 into 3, that is 80. Now add all those. 800 plus 120 plus 120 plus 8, 18. This is equal to 120, 120, 240 plus 800, 1040, 1040 plus 18, 1000. So this method will take so much of time. So if you are convenient with this method, you can follow this method, or else you can follow with previous method. If you take another example, 52 multiplied with 32. Draw one table in 2-digit format. So 50, keep 2, 30, keep 2. 30 into 50, 1500. 30 into 2, 60. 50 into 2, 100. 2 into 2, 4. 1500 plus 100, 1600. 1600 plus 64. So 16 is the answer. We go with another example. 26 is multiplied with 33. Draw one table in 2-digit format, that is rows should be 2 and columns should be 2. 26, 30, 30 into 2, 600. 3 into 2, 6, keep 2 zeros. 180, 60, 18. So 600, 180, 780, 780 plus 60, 840, 840, 858. So thank you for watching this video. For any queries and suggestions, please contact me, Mahesh Suresh. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact to this number also. If you have any queries, mail. to this MySA Academy 2020 at gmail.com. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.